I'm Kevin Shaw, and you're watching the Watercraft Journal. Just a couple of weeks ago, the Watercraft Journal stopped in to visit RIVA Racing's headquarters and take a look at all the cool stuff that the industry's leader in performance products is cooking up. With so many new watercraft coming out for 2024, RIVA Racing's president Dave Bamdas wasn't ready to let the Watercraft Journal inside of its R&D facility just yet, although he did show us some very cool new products that we were sworn to secrecy not to leak early. So instead of breaking some pretty lucrative NDAs with the manufacturers, Dave decided to take us on a behind-the-scenes look at the huge expansion project that RIVA is neck-deep into. Wanting to better service its customers, RIVA is building a massive fulfillment center that will allow orders to be processed quicker and provide its dedicated call center an all-new office level above the Pompano Beach dealership.
Remember, everything that's happening here as far as the moving around is due to the fact that production is moving.
Right.
But they haven't moved yet, they're still here. So
transition, that's
so
okay.
I'm going to show you what's going to happen when this new building is done. I'll give you a this whole area here, which is all of our performance salespeople, a dozen of them or so.
Right.
They're going to be moving into a new office complex that we're building. And this is all going to become part storage.
Okay.
Increased part storage for RIVA performance products. That includes this whole area will become part storage. Marketing office.
Okay. Art department.
You are coming through. Sorry. So this will remain.
Okay.
After the reorganization, this will remain the marketing office and art department will stay here.
Okay. It'll just be a lot quieter now that that's going to be all nothing but parts.
Right, it'll be quieter. This one. Morning, Mark. Go, Mark.
Chefy.
Hey, what's happening?
What's going on?
How you been, man?
Good to see you. Oh, you know, just goofing off, saying hi.
Obviously, we've got the shipping area here. Morning, guys. Morning, guys. This is, hey, guys. So this is production.
Okay.
So this is the area that's going to be, this department will be moving down the street.
Right.
So this whole room is, they're actually kitting up RIVA products. For instance, over here, Gus looks like he's doing Yamaha cooling kits.
Very cool.
Installing zincs on the fitting. They're all done by hand. All made in the USA, by the way. So over here we're building water strainers, Yamaha water strainer kit. Again, all machined and built in the United States. He's packaging the brass fittings. Instructions are going there. What do you got doing? Ari's repacking power coolers over there.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. So this whole area is going to be moving down the street, and this is an extension of this area over here. We've kind of moved out into this.
And this was, yes, the mezzanine.
This was showroom.
Okay.
And what we're doing out here, this is more production area now.
Okay.
They're packaging stuff. And we put up this glass wall. This was just a railing before.
Oh yeah, I took video off of this before.
Yeah, so we put up this glass wall. Now what's going to be happening, what's really cool, some of our championship watercraft over there,
Oh,
Jeff
yeah.
Jacobs, Stand Up, Tim Judge's Blaster, and Chris McCluggage's GP hanging over there.
Yeah.
But what's really cool is this, Kevin, this whole area from this glass all the way back there, this is going to be where the offices are.
Okay.
All the sales offices.
Okay, so they get a nice
Yeah,
open view.
This is going to be like Google up here.
Yes.
I mean, it's going to be carpeted. There's going to be some couches and like a lounge area.
Oh,
to meet
cool.
Over here. There'll be cubicles over here, and they're going to have the light coming in here. You got plants. It's going to be a really nice
good
environment for the sales office.
No more cubicle farm.
No more cubicle. And this wall will go away, and it'll go back.
Okay.
We'll have more room.
So it'll be all open, access to the staircase.
Yeah, we'll have access to the staircase. This will be a glass door that walks out here. Watch your step.
Oh yeah.
Close that behind you. And this is, look down the showroom here. And then this is going to be my office. I'm moving in here.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, so this is, next time you come, I'll probably be up in here. So this is a cool office, isn't it?
Oh, that'd be great.
So I'll be able to walk right out to the RIVA Racing offices on the balcony. I'll be able to look at my showroom.
Yeah.
And I'll have a desk that sits like around.
There you go.
So I can meet with my development team, meet with the sales team, whatever.
Right.
In here.
It's nice and
Have a
cold.
little fridge in there.
There you go.
Be pretty cool.
No executive washroom, huh?
But it's, I'm excited about that. So, yeah, by moving production down the street, it's going to give them a lot more room to spread out.
Right.
And let us further develop our customer service and sales center here.
That's great, Dave. And how big is the new facility?
12,000 square feet.
12,000 square foot.
6,000 square foot of warehousing for sub-assembly and 6,000 square foot of air-conditioned assembly and storage.
Okay. So this is it.
Yeah, this is the new RIVA Racing Production Center. As I said, it's 12,000 square feet. We have a 6,000 square foot warehouse on the ground floor, which has 16-foot tall ceilings. Upstairs, air-conditioned assembly center. There'll be a lobby when you come in the front. And then if you look over here, we have a whole bunch of land that will be used for storing, bulk storage outside.
Oh, good.
But this is in addition to building 3, which is another 6,000 square foot
Okay.
warehouse that we use for RIVA Racing parts.
Okay.
So this next time you come, we'll take you inside. There's offices upstairs. Right now, it's just a construction site.
That's fine. Yeah.
At least you can see.
We don't have our hard hats, so we can't go in.
Yeah. We're dedicating a lot of resources to increasing our production. Both from a development standpoint, from higher stocking levels, more efficient, quicker product delivery, things like that.
Right. Well, that's great. It's obviously you're delivering on product for the customer. You want to make sure that it happens quicker and more efficiently.
Exactly.
So it's all part of being a parts leader, my friend.
Yep. Part of good customer service.
I'm Kevin Shaw, and you've been watching the Watercraft Journal. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. It'll definitely help us grow the channel. And if you want more awesome jet ski content, please visit us over at www.watercraftjournal.com, where new articles are written and published every day, Monday through Friday, entirely subscription free to you. We'll see you there.